Well, this isn't the morning we expected. Although it's going to brighten up later on today, at this moment in time it's raining, and it's that really fine stuff that gets you wet. We've got no plans. We're just going to see how the day takes us.
We'll film it so you can watch.
Au revoir.
Oh boy!
Early morning access has massive benefits. We haven't seen Main Street as quiet as this in all the time that we've been here yet. And now we're in. Look at that. What better way to get a great view and great pictures with not many people about.
I think you'll find no.
Full. That's Peter Pan's flight, all done, ticked off the list.
Nice to fly over the UK again, all over London.
It's a very quick ride, that's all I'll say. No sooner are you on, then you are off.
It's cute though, it's meant to be a cute ride.
Yeah, it's lovely. This is great. Feels like we're in the park on our own. We're up in Adventureland at the moment, just making our way over to Big Thunder Mountain, and I don't know where I'm going. I know it saves money staying off-site in hotels elsewhere. Yeah, great idea if you're on a budget. But the early access is a massive benefit.
If you're thinking about it, if you're going to start considering getting fast track passes or whatever they're called over here in Paris now, you know, you're going to be like losing money there when you might make money in respect of, or save money today, in respect of getting that 1 hour early pass. They're getting onto Thunder Mountain. I can see them walking around in the queue now. 5-minute queue. So you're hitting all them, and then it means that your day can slow out a little bit more, and then you can hit them again later on at night when the crowds start dying off and everyone goes home because all the kids are exhausted. But the kiddie adults, it's not.
There's always going to be a hotel that is at the lower end. For example, here at Disneyland Paris, you've got the Santa Fe Hotel. It's a lovely place. Themed off cars, it's cheaper, it's clean, it's tidy, it's well presented, it's well themed. So if you can push yourself just that little bit more, I would say stay there.
Apparently there's a Mystery Mickey head on here, so you're going to go and try and find this Mystery Mickey head.
Yeah. I love that ride.
He lives that ride.
I love that ride. Pirates of the Caribbean rocks. And I have a feeling, I'm going to have to watch the footage back from Florida, but I believe that version here in Disney Paris is longer.
Always looks like you, don't they?
You look like you're having a fantastic time.
I can't wait to see your best moves, Donald.
We're on our way to Ratatouille now. Unfortunately, we've just been on the Disneyland Paris app, and we've had some bad news that instead of the park closing at 11 o'clock tonight, it's actually closing at 9:30. Due to the recent events happening in France or in Paris, they decided to close the parks. So it means our trip is cut a little short. Not too bad. We're happy that we saw the fireworks shows last night. We're really in catchphrase. Oh boy.
Incroyable, that was amazing. Et là, c'est sûr que vous êtes tous bien accompagnés sur mon prochain braquage galactique.
Don't you mean a mission of peace? Don't you mean a mission of peace?
Oui, oui, bien sûr, mission pacifique. Après le braquage, mais désolé, recrue. Listen, baby.
It's almost the end of the day. Now I can't walk anymore. I honestly cannot walk. So I'm having to sit down, and then we're going to do one quick run over to Hollywood Tower to ride that one more time. It's got to be our last finishing ride. Kicked out the back entrance of the hotel.
37 minutes past 9.
Yeah.
Close at 7 minutes ago.
So yeah, we're done. Disney Paris. We came, we saw.
We could do. Our feet are now absolutely hurting us.
Yeah.
Considering we've been up every day in the park, from the start to the end.
No end of the show today.
Due to complications with what's going on in Paris or riots.
But yeah, so now it's time to just nip to the shop, pick up a couple of bits and pieces, have a long journey home. Thank you for watching. If you haven't watched the other episodes, go back. It's 2 days before this. If you haven't already done so, click the like button. It helps us. Click the subscribe button. Sorry. And there's me slurring words.
And leave us some comments on the feedback.
Yeah.
You guys.
Indeed. Yeah. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Oh boy.